What's going on, my friends? I hope everybody's doing well. So we kind of have a sad video today. Today is, well, it's kind of the beginning of the end here. So for the past basically 2 years now, I've been making videos down here in this tiny little 7-foot by, it's actually 15 feet. I thought it was 14 feet for a long time, but I measured it the other day and I have an extra foot of space. Yippee. You know, for the past 2 years, we've been making videos down here and I basically documented my entire knife making journey up to this point. There's a lot of things that I haven't filmed, but yeah, for the most part, my entire knife making journey is here on YouTube. Sadly enough, we're not going to be filming down here too much longer. I kind of have to come to a decision here, and that decision is to either continue to make knives or continue to make YouTube videos. And in order to do that, I sort of have to let something go. I'm one of those people who don't really like to beat around the bush too much or drag things on, so I might as well just tell you. We're getting a new workspace. So first off, I know what you're thinking. I know this looks like crap, but let me explain. So yeah, guys, this is the new workshop space. I've kind of got the camera sitting here all crooked and all that other good stuff, but all of this stuff that you're seeing right here, right now, this is all getting moved out of here. None of this stuff is ours. And this is going to turn into a studio workshop, so to speak. Essentially, what we're going to be doing in here is we're going to be setting this place up for doing nothing but filming YouTube videos in and making stuff. We've got a lot of new equipment coming that's going to be set in here, set up and ready to use. We've got an anvil, a forge, and a lot of other stuff that we are going to be getting in this space. And we're also looking at, and I know this is going to sound crazy, we're looking at purchasing a second grinder. And I like the AMK. I like the AMK grinder a lot, and I think for a first grinder purchase, it's probably the best value that you can probably make. But for a second grinder, I've looked at all of the companies out there and I'm not 100% sure which one I'm going to go with. It's most likely going to be something with a tooling arm setup so that it'll expand my capabilities with grinding, you know, a surface grinder, a rotary platen, things of that nature. But that's a little bit down the road, not too far. Probably going to be placing the order for that very soon. And again, you know, I'm not opposed to purchasing another AMK if it makes sense. For the next couple of weeks, we are basically going to be getting this place ready and set up. All of the stuff that's in here now is not ours, but part of the deal of using this place is that we've got to clean it out. This is super exciting, cleaning out the garage. Yeah! Who wants to watch this? Once this place is set up and ready to go, it's going to be awesome. I've got a bunch of new video series that are already in the works. They're already, we're starting to get the preliminary stuff out of the way to do them. Some of them are going to be pretty involved. And also, another thing that we're going to be doing in here is doing, hopefully, a bunch of collaborations with other YouTubers, as well as possibly some people from Instagram. Basically, you know, we're going to try and get 2 of everything in here so that 2 people can work simultaneously at the same time. If you're somebody who has a YouTube channel or an Instagram channel, go to my About page and email me and let me know if you're interested in coming down and working with us. I'd love to hear from you. Now, obviously, that's not going to happen in the next week or so because we got a lot of stuff to do in here. Already started working on this space last weekend. This weekend, we're hoping to get this area a lot more cleared out. We got a lot of stuff to take to the dump. But once that's taken care of, I can get the electrician in. I could throw up some drywall. We'll get this place all lit properly and all that good stuff. It shouldn't take too long to get done. And I'm trying to get things lined up now at this point. So again, if you got a YouTube channel and you're interested in collaborating, hit me up, email me, and maybe we can work something out. We also have, check it out here. All this out here, that's all basically empty woods. We don't have any close neighbors here, so we can pretty much do whatever we want. And again, some really interesting video series are going to be coming up in the near future. Well, maybe not super near future, but when we're done setting up here. So with all of that being said, I've got a bunch of stuff I got to do now. Sorry this was kind of a boring video. The next, like I said, the next several videos might be kind of strange, but I just like to get this information out there to you guys, let you know what's going on, because we might not have, you know, in the next several weeks some crazy projects coming up. We'll be working on this space. Anyway, hang with me, because once we get set up in here, there's definitely going to be some good stuff coming, I assure you. Again, I don't want to say what it is, but I'm telling you it's going to be some good stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. So now it seems the real work begins.